Hello, my name is Max. This is Entrepreneur, episode 23, Landbot.io. So let's check this out. This is a very, very cool tool. Landbot, I'm going to refresh so it gives us the whole little spiel. Hi there, I'm Landbot. Want to see what I can do? What can you do? What can you do? I let companies build chatbots like this one to convert and qualify leads automatically. Look at this. Visual no-code builder. Check it out. You can just move, test stuff. It's a very simple no-code format builder to create chatbots. That's all it is. Very simple. And you can even add like silly little GIFs, which is kind of cute. It's a very, very simple, I've tested this before, chatbot builder. And I'm actually probably going to make a dating simulator chatbot on as one of my dumb little projects on Landbot because it's so simple to use and it just makes it really, really smooth. So you could probably actually make a little text adventure too if you wanted to. But mainly chatbots to qualify leads, to give people information, to any of that kind of jazz. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Highly, highly recommend it. So yeah, if you need to build chatbots, they already have existing templates and everything else like that. Chatbot builder that you can embed on your website. And it looks like they even have a WhatsApp add-on. So, and I'm sure they have other integrations beyond that. But check it out. And if you have any questions on what you can build with a chatbot builder like this, let me know, or Landbot specifically. Drop some ideas in the comments. I'll see you on the next episode.